Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Ukraine. Before I proceed further, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Ukraine has started its e-visa process. So now many nationalities can apply. So in front of you, I have opened this Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Ukraine website where you can see this e-visa section. Okay. Now, these are the nationalities who can apply for this at this moment. Okay. Of course, there are some visa-free countries too. Like India is here. You can check this. For single entry visa, fee is going to be 20 USD, double entry 30 USD. In case you need urgent processing, it's going to be doubled. Okay. And for urgent processing, it's going to be 1 working day, or for non-urgent, 3 working days. Okay. And what are the things you need? Your photo, passport, health insurance, 30,000 euros, proof of funds. You need to upload document that confirms your visit. Okay. So let's go for this platform. I'm putting sample, but you need to do as per your case. Okay. So let's say you are from India and purpose of your trip is tourism. Okay. So if you have come here for the first time, you need to register. So click on register. You need to put your email, surname, given name, language, password, and password confirmation, and click on register. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so next what happens is once you complete that page, it sends an email to your mailbox, which is a general process where you get a link to confirm your email. Then once you confirm your email and you log in, you come here. So it's asking to set the selection, purpose of trip. Let's see. Okay, next stage, input personal information according to passport and following documents will be there. Photograph, copy of pages, copy of health insurance, copy of document confirming financial security for the period for the planned stay and return to the country of origin transit. Okay, document confirming business or tourist purpose of the trip. Okay, okay. If you click on complete, scroll down here. Okay, you need to do as per your case. This is just sample, guys. Place of birth. This should be as per your passport, so make sure you verify everything at least 2 times, not less than that. Date of birth, as per your case, guys. Yes, sample I'm selecting. Okay. Now, I'll see you in the next screen after I go through this photo. Next is to, let me go up on the page. Type of traveling document, passport number, and then passport details. Issue date expiry, of course, check it. Your passport, when it is. issued as indicated on passport. Okay. So make sure you everything you check at least 2 times, not just once. Postal address and email address. Telephone number including international dial code. Okay, so for India, it's gonna be. I'm not sure if plus symbol is gonna be accepted, but let's see. Purpose tourism, number of entries, processing, urgency. Yeah, urgency if you select, it will be within 1 day, but yeah, you need to pay more. Intended date of stay, previous Ukrainian visa issued, 22 temporary. Okay, type of person who invited. Like if you're going on your own, not applicable. Then you have to provide your hotel address where you will stay. Okay, expenses, who's gonna do if you're doing for yourself, then you have to upload passport, health insurance, financial security document confirming the purpose of the trip. Okay, and what are the file types they are allowed, you can see. Okay, in the next stage it will give you like the option to review and then also to pay, but of course I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.